Well, sometimes you find a car that you really, really, really like and don't want to live without. So you get another one. I've had 100 and some odd cars in my life, and my ML350 W163 chassis, probably my favorite car ever. There she is right behind me. But 300,000 kilometers, so I've been looking for something to replace it with, and I wanted to find the last year of the W163 chassis. I've driven W164s. They ride nice, they're quiet, but I don't like it as much as the W163. I just like the body on frame. I like the low range in the four-wheel drive system. I just like it more. It's a little bit, I think it's a better vehicle, to be honest. So in 1 second I'll show you what I found. Well, this is what I found. 2001 320, 2005 ML350. Original owner, 74,000 original miles. Immaculate, maintained by the dealership. One owner, I think I just said that, but anyway. Two flaws on the entire vehicle. I'll show you both of them. That's one little scrape there. And the second one, oh, it's also a special edition. This is the way I picked it up. I've driven it 3 times since I picked it up. Even the original special edition floor mats are, well, the floor mats are a little dirty because I got in there in dirty boots. That is the second flaw in the car. A little bit of a ripple in the center armrest. Otherwise, perfect shape. Not messed with, not screwed with, nothing. You know, even the original stereos in there, everything works absolutely perfectly. Again, it's a 2005 and it's the 350 instead of the 320. Difference between the 320 and 350, piston diameter, I think about 5-6 millimeter different piston diameter, which is the same piston, I think, that is out of the original W163 chassis ML55. Yeah, I think it is the same piston. Either way, it's basically the same engine. It is not the newer 3.5 liter that is found in the 2006 and newer W164s that had camshaft problems and everything. It's the old reliable M112, just bored out. I think it makes about 30 more horsepower and about 30 more pound-feet of torque. Either way, this one's immaculate. Love this one. Love the color. It's gray inside, blue exterior. Silver's like my least favorite color, but when you buy used, you get what you get. But I've been looking for this car for a while, and I finally found it, and I'm very happy about it. I'll be doing some videos showing what I do when I first get a new-to-me vehicle to make sure they stay running forever. Again, 117,000 kilometers, which is about 74,000 miles, and it is beautiful. Thanks for watching.